That motherfucker be sitting up too high.
You need to scrape that shit.
It's like, nah.
Bro, you hold the clutch when you straight.
He's like, he's sturdy, nigga.
You gotta go back smoothly. If not, the tire gonna stop hopping.
Nigga, yeah, nigga, that's what I be feeling, nigga. I don't be holding the clutch.
I feel like you want to jump, right? Works, man. Just look at this piston.
It's only 2 washers and 4 screws.
It don't even look bad.
What the fuck?
So it's the bottom, you think?
Hell no. That piston don't even look cracked.
It could be the rings though.
True.
If the ring, it could be piston.
Fuck it, bro. You might as well change the whole thing. I'm down.
You see that, bro?
That's crazy.
Man,
Man,
that
that
probably
shit
the-
look
This
fresh,
shit is.
bro.
Ain't
That
no
is
way.
Wow.
What if it's the bottom, bro?
Nah, it's not. The bottom, you
The
got
You
bottom,
yeah,
that shit
you
lock up, bro.
It would have locked up?
Yeah, hell yeah. Like my bike.
This is crazy, bro. It probably got chipped in inside, though.
YouTube?
Yeah, bro.
YouTube?
Yeah.
Bro, everybody should do that. Nigga, my cousin, bro, he started doing YouTube.
Stop
TikTok,
playing.
He get paid for that shit, bro. You gotta check everybody else.
Go stream, man. You gotta subscribe to my shit. I'm gonna subscribe to you too, yeah. Go ahead, look at it right now. I don't got Twitch though.
You don't got Twitch?
Nah, I got fucking YouTube, bro.
You got Twitch.
I'm gonna get Twitch though. Bro, I just need a couple more subscribers, bro.
Twitch where it's at.
Hell yeah, I ain't gonna lie, everybody on that shit. My nigga Beans, man. Alright, bro. Show them the piston, bro. Come my piston, man. Shifter straight. Scratched up. She at the lab right now. They got both our shits in the lab, man. For the bro.
Bro, I swear to God, bro, Ty better not ask me for a motherfucking pass off. He better not ask me for no gas, bro. On my daughter, bro, I'm not playing, bro.
Damn, Tab, you got my nigga shit like this.
Swear to God, bro. Niggas gonna be at the gas station.
Oh, shit, he got-
You're fucking we in New Haven, nigga. You better not pull up on me after no gas. I'm putting that bitch right back in the thing. I don't give a fuck.
Yes, sir. Put some new bearings in this bitch. It gotta be hot as fuck. Hey, we out here, man. This new bitch in here. That shit was dirty as fuck. Fresh one. Pack. Rich and Jesse Mechanics, man. Get niggas right. Or
For
shit.
my guys though. Anybody else, this
New
shit
piston.
costs, man.
Or shit.
Shit ain't for free. Like your hoes ain't for free.
You heard what he said? Gangster. Damn.
Spend some time. I think I still got it.
Yo, how can I get these bearings out, bro?
What do you mean?
My nigga need help, bro.
Bro,
Get my niggas right, bro.
That shit got to go in the
You
middle.
gotta get them out.
This ain't
Oh.
wide enough to get around there neither.
What the little one? What do you mean? Get around this?
Yeah.
You might. They might.
Try it like that with the hammer. There you go. Shove it. Try the different angle.
Eh. What a flathead.
Try to do something different. Get this shit up. What you need, Jeff?
Not right now.
This shit was off the road.
Before about this
month.
outside.
Yeah, man. Thanks to my niggas, man. This shit nice.
So it's straight now.
Yeah, we don't need niggas to pull up no more.
Wait, what about these shit right here?
My boy Jesse was about to do a whole body memory build.
That's why he was taking everything?
Off, everything. That's
Yeah,
how
he
you
got
know
the
it.
carb on
That nigga took the going on. He about to do a whole bottle.
That nigga know what he doing.
Ew. Papa.
Yeah, this nigga funny.
Papi.
Yeah.
I'm having the shorty bring me the
You put that plug in.
still here.
Move this shit real quick for bro.
Steven, bring your front tire right here real quick. You said what?
Oh, yeah, he needed to charge it too.
Yeah, I'm waiting for Pop to be done. Pop's about to be done.
You got the same one?
Hold on.
Fucking play with me, man.
I'm fixing bro with his shit. What, nigga? Yeah, you gotta take care of my shit, yo. Nah, fucking with you. Yeah. We feel that shit, man. Nah, yeah. Nah, I appreciate you, bro. Nigga, I love you, nigga. Good shit. Nah, hell yeah. I'm already knowing. That shit got compression, y'all. On BD. Than before. Real shit. I ain't gonna lie. Can't hold you. Can't hold you. You right on that.
I ain't jumping on nobody's shit that I ain't never, they ain't riding my shit.
Nah, nigga,
That's
you
how I
know.
feel.
You know, bro. Nigga, you used to always let me ride the KTM too,
This
bro.
shit might
And the
have been
YZ
New
too. I
Haven
always
that day
ride
if this shit was
Nah,
wrong.
that would have been some funky shit. We'd have been tight.
I'd have been bad as fuck. That shit would have happened.
Cause nigga, we got no truck, none of that.
What? Nigga, I'd have taken them out the shorty crib.
What? Out she live out there. Or the bro. We been sturdy.
Oh, man. Y'all got, wherever we go, we sturdy. There's no one. What's that
Man.
bitch?
Chop it
Ready to
down.
get beat on.
Get these ones. These ones fire. D. She's saying beastie. More fun. On a moment of truth, y'all. Okay. She back, bro. You got the choke on still, chill. Let it sit.
My boy Pop is back. You gonna fuck these streets up today?
Look, man. Yeah, go get this. Go get that 125. Hold on, wait. Let's get it fixed. Let's put it back. Let's put it back. Get it right. It's running though, for sure.
Let it idle for.
Got this nigga. He got the YZ twinning right now. I'll show you how many YZ we got over here. This one.
Look at that.
This one. This one right here. Come on. We got clap it. Moanda right here. From what? From for real? Yeah.
Don't burn that plastic, nigga.